Senyora Santibañez is an exploitable image macro in Photoshop depicting the main antagonist in the Mexican telenovela Marimer and actor Chantal Andier as a snobbish and stereotypically arrogant plantation owner. It became a meme and social media celebrity in the Philippines following the successful remake of the movie Marimer. Following the successful remake of a Mexican telenovela Marimer, local media began sharing and taking notice of the meme, spawning variations. It was voted Best Meme of 2012. On November 11, 2012, a fan page on Facebook was created named Senyora Santibañez and soon became only Senyora. She became popular as the face and voice of the merciless hacienda of the Philippines and discussing news including politics. The account had 4 million followers on Facebook. When Pia Wurtzbach was called out by Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada, who made a welcome gesture when Estrada gave Pia a kiss on the cheek, Senyora helped the meme spread by adding a soundtrack of Maja Salvador's Kilig. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.